All right, guys, let's talk about what we really want in a grill. We want solid construction, serious heat, and the versatility to cook whatever we want, whenever we want. Today, we're taking a look at a grill that might just click all those boxes. The RW Flame 4-burner propane gas grill. First off, this thing is built with 304 stainless steel. That means it's designed to stand up to the elements and resist rust, so you're not buying a new grill every couple of seasons. But the real story is its power. We're talking a total of 42,000 BTU across 4 main burners and a dedicated side burner. That's a ton of heat for getting that perfect sear on your steak. And we're actually going to test that out on steak. Additionally, you have a massive cooking area. All stainless steel mesh and plates for even heat. And you even get that side burner for potentially handling sausage or corn on the cob. It's got the power and the features you'd expect from a much more expensive grill. The main question is, how is the actual quality and how did it actually work? So what do you say we go talk to Doug there using it after he put it together and see what he thought of it? All right, let's get down to the real test. One thing I wanted to show you real quick is I love that it turns red when the burners are turned on and it's blue when it is off. I think that's great. Let's see how we do with that sear. It's been heating up for a little while. Oh, sounding good. While these juicy, delicious steaks finish up here, to which I'm gonna have to take Nikki's off pretty soon, I wanted to tell you about my overall impression of this. So I am reasonably thrilled with it. Look, this is a question of value, right? What you get for the cost. Is it really amazing for that? I think it really is. I mean, number one, I will say, super easy to put together, which I do appreciate because I had to put the whole thing together and I've done some of these and they're a disaster. All well organized, well put together. I already told you I really like the indicator colors on the knob. The heat feels nice and easy and smooth. The idea that you could cook a pizza on this also is ridiculously cool. I haven't seen that before. I think that's a great value add. I will say all these include the side burner. I think other than trying to invent reasons to use the side burner, I almost never use the side burner. I'm always about the grill itself. I also like down here, the little garbage pail. What a genius idea. So now that I'm saying good things, I need to say one negative thing. Let me show you. I'm not a big fan of this being the grease trap here, meaning I have to crawl back here to clear the grease trap. And if I had it up against the wall, I'd have to move this away from the wall. I prefer when they empty out the front, but it's nicely organized and placed here. These sound so good. You hear these? Oh, they smell good too. I think I'm gonna have to wrap this up. Overall, if you want one of these, there's the link right here. Use that. Worst case, it's down in the description. Costs you nothing extra, but it helps out the channel. Lets us get more cool gadgets like this to bring to you. Remember to like and subscribe. Throw up a comment if you have any questions about the cool fire coming out of here. It looks so good. I really do like the sear that I got out of these. If you're looking for a value piece with a lot of features, you can't possibly go wrong with this. Again, put it in the comments if you have any questions. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.